What is SWR and why does it matter? That's a great question. Obviously, when you are installing a CB system specifically, you need to tune your antenna so your SWR, or standing wave ratio, is low. What is standing wave? Standing wave is essentially resistance on the inside of your antenna system. You want to have as little resistance as possible. Essentially, think of it kind of like if you have a lot of resistance, then it's almost like a clogged pipe or something like that. The signal cannot get out of your system if there's a lot of additional SWR. What affects SWR the most, first off, is proper grounding of your antenna equipment specifically. So if you're using a Fender mount like this, let's say up on the front of your vehicle, you need to make sure that this mount has bare metal-to-metal contact with your vehicle body. It is properly grounded. If you're using a magnet mount like the Wilson 1000, well then the magnet on the Wilson 1000 is what is going to stick to the body of your car, the roof of your car, ideally, and that provides the ground, which will lower your SWR. The other thing that will lower your SWR is changing the length of the signal. And you do that by tuning your antenna. With a magnet antenna like this, you would raise and lower the width to either shorten or lengthen the antenna signal, or with a top-loaded antenna like this one, it has a tunable tip, and you either thread the tip out or in to either lengthen or shorten. That's what SWR is, standing wave ratio. Why does it matter? It's because that's the measurement of the amount of resistance that's in your antenna system. A high SWR over 3, a reading over 3, means that you have, your system is just not going to operate properly. A low standing wave, or SWR, of around, let's say, between 1 and 1.5 means that your system is going to operate excellent. And really anything, for most vehicles, anything below 2 will give you a proper operating CB system.